I've got this old chair and lamp, which are both looking a bit tatty, and I'm wanting to spray them the same colour for a more cohesive look. I'm going to sand them right back and prime them to give the colour a good base. Also, this is quite a dark colour, and I'm going to spray it an antique white, so it needs to kill the colour, which primer is really good for. I'm first of all going to prep them both by giving them a good sand down and a wipe over with a cloth, so then they're ready to start spraying. I've now given both of these a really good sand down and a wipe with a damp cloth to get rid of any of the dust. So I'm now going to prime them. For the lamp, I want to keep the fitting clean and also the wire. So a really good top tip is to just put a plastic bag over the top of it and also bunch up the wire inside the plastic bag and then just mask it on with masking tape. So I'm going to do that now before I start spraying. I've already shaken the can of primer for a minute like it says to on the back of the tin, so I'm ready to start going now. So these are now primed and dry. For furniture that gets a lot of use like chairs and they get bashed around, it is important to prime it first because it makes the paint on top last a lot longer. And this has also dulled down the colour a lot on this blue, so we'll use a lot less paint covering it up. With the chalk paint, you just need to get a screwdriver underneath the cap to pop it off. I have already shaken this for the 3 minutes that it says to on the back of the tin. With chalk paint you do need to shake for longer than other paint. So now I'm ready to start spraying. The chair's now sprayed and I'm wanting to recover the seat to match the paint. So I've just cut out a bit of fabric that I'm wanting. I'm just simply going to staple gun it on. So these are now both dry and ready to go in their new home. I'm going to get a new lampshade to complement the pattern on here and to go with the new colour, and then they're ready to go in their new home together.